Alright, day 2, it's breakfast again, meal 1. I'm going to make a French toast. And so it's going to be Greg Doucette's anabolic French toast. If you don't know Greg Doucette, look him up on YouTube. He's a fitness guy. I'm just going to blend up ingredients here. Alright. I've already done a video on this, so if you want details, watch that video. Greg Doucette's anabolic French toast. Need this. I'm going to use the bread I baked last night. This is the bread I baked last night. Kept it in the fridge. I'm not going to eat the end piece right now, so I'm just going to cut maybe about this much of it. A nice crust on it. Now, I left this in the fridge a couple of days, so it kind of deflated a little bit, but overall, the overall is pretty good. 100% whole wheat bread is very dense anyway. If you want a lighter bread, you gotta go ahead and add some white flour or bread flour. So I need about 60 grams of this bread. This bread is very heavy, so I don't need as much of the bread. Okay. We are there. Now, softer bread is more what I want because hit the next is more what I want because it absorbs the mixture better, but that's not the case today. We're using my bread. Okay. I'm using the S50, the worst Vitamix ever, claimed by everybody. Okay. Add my egg whites, add my stevia to it. Get my spoon. The worst Vitamix, they say. Well, still working on that. Okay, some cinnamon. My hot water's ready for my coffee. I'm going to jump on that. I'm not going to show the cooking of this French toast. Like I said, this is just a test of the machine. This is not going to be a tough test. I'm just going to mix. But every single usage of the machine, I'm recording. A little vanilla extract, and it should be blend time. Showing how easy the machine is to use. People say it's not as easy to use because the little blades are a pain. It's nonsense. It's very easy to use. Alright, put the blades on there. That was super simple. And these notches here, if it's ever too tight or you can't tighten it enough, just put the base end of a butter knife. If I can find the butter knife. Yeah, you just do that with the dull side and you have a little handle. That's what that's made for. Okay, so put it in the correct way. So all I do is just blend that up for a little bit. It's not high speed or anything, it's just a mix up. me get that little itty bitty bit of cinnamon in there. Okay, that's it. That's all I need to work it. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this mixture in here. My pan is already, should be preheated. Oh my God, it's so tough to clean. Let me clean it. Again, that was like 10, not even, that was 5 seconds. I rinsed it out. Okay. Put the contents of the, put the mixture basically inside the bowl with the bread. And I gotta give this bread a little extra time to soak up the egg whites. But I'm just gonna let it soak up and put it in the pan, and I'm just gonna eat it. This is very simple. That was a very simple test.